For the nomads, life goes on very much as usual, but there are some important changes. Under Ethiopian rule, for example, they were sometimes under pressure to cooperate with the military against the guerrillas. Failure to cooperate meant the threat of a blocked-up well. But from what we saw and heard, it seemed that the nomads' allegiance was firmly with the guerrillas. All over Somalia, the Mogadishu government is trying to persuade the nomads to settle down. We asked this couple how they saw their life changing now the Ethiopians had gone.
We did not have life at the beginning when the Ethiopian occupation were here. For instance, this well, which is called Wardheer, used to be prevented from our camels to be watered. The Ethiopians used to blackmail us and told us that if you don't collaborate, your camels will not drink from here. So that wasn't a life. Now we are independent, we are free, we have liberated our country, and you can see we are watering our camels here.
And will you continue to be nomads?
We are going to settle down, you see, and change our lives, you know. Although we like our camels, but we would like to develop this country so as to settle down.